Okay, this is the mid-chapter checkpoint for GoMath, 3rd grade, Unit 4. We're going to do the checkpoint in two videos, the first page and then the second page, just to break it up just a little bit. So let's start at the beginning. The vocabulary. We look at our vocabulary words. We have the commutative property of multiplication, the distributive property, and multiple. The directions say, choose the best term from the box to complete each sentence. A blank of 4 is any product that has 4 as one of its factors. And you can find that answer on page 197. But a blank of 4 is any product that has 4 of one of its factors. And that answer is multiple. The next one says, this is an example of the blank property. 3 times 8 equals 3 times 6 plus 3 times 2. So it looks like they broke apart the 8 into 6 plus 2. This property states that multiplying a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each add-in by the number and then adding the products. That is the distributive property. So then we don't want to forget about the commutative property. The commutative property says the order in which numbers are multiplied does not change the product. So that would be like 6 times 3 is the same as 3 times 6. We still have 18 and 18. So that's an example of the commutative property. So now concepts and skills. For this next part it says write one way to break apart the array. So we're going to break it apart and then find the product. So we have two things to do here. Write one way to break apart the array and then find the product. So to approach this problem, what I'm going to do first is count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 here. And across the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 5 rows of 7. So we're looking at the problem 5 times 7. But they want us to pretend that we don't know what 5 times 7 is and break that apart. So what I'm going to do is I know my 5's tables well. So I am going to break the 7 apart into 5 and 2. So I'm going to put my line right there to break it apart. So I'm going to take this 7 and I'm going to break that 7 into 5 plus 2. I'm using the distributive property now. So I am going to say 5 times 5 plus the answer to 5 times 2. So putting that in parentheses shows that I'm grouping this 5 by 5 and this 5 by 2 together. So then 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 2 is 10, and so my answer here is my sum of 35, and the product of 5 times 7 is 35. So that's one way to show that. You could have done it a different way. As long as your final answer is 35, you should be correct. And you show all your work. Always show your work so your teacher knows what you're thinking. So the next array has 4 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 columns. So it's 4 by 9. So maybe on this one, because I do remember I said I know my 5's, so when I'm looking at 4 times 9, I can decompose the 9 into, maybe I could put it into 5 plus 4, because 9 is equal to 5 plus 4, and that would make it a little easier to solve. So I'm going to use the distributive property and say 4 times 5 plus the answer to 4 times 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 4 is 16, and so the answer is 36. So I know that 9 times 4 is 36. So make sure you show your work and you have the correct answer there. So the last section on here is just practice with your multiplication facts. So if you don't know a fact, you can use the distributive property or decompose it, or find a fact that you do know and add to, or find a fact that you know and subtract from. So let's check your work. So 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 6, if you don't know that right off the top of your head, you can count quickly by 5's, is 30. 7 times 7, those are called our square numbers. 49. 2 times 10, I know you can count 2 groups of 10 pretty quickly. 2 groups of 10, 10, 20. 2 times 1, the identity property is the property that says any number multiplied by 1 is itself. So 2 groups of 1 is 2, or 1 group of 2. 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 7 is 56. The 0 property says any number multiplied by 0 is 0, and 6 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 8 is 24. So that's the answer key and the work for the first part of the mid-chapter review.